Hi, my name's Emma, and this is.
Gabriel King, and nice to meet you.
All right, Gabe. Why do you do unified bowling?
Well, it's a multiple of reasons, but basically, particularly, it gives me not only a chance to show off a certain skill and favorite hobby of mine, but it also gives me a chance to find a place of belonging.
Oh, that's awesome, Gabe. Why do you think other people should join unified?
Well, it's kind of hard to explain, but basically, I find that it'd be nice if everyone had a sport they could belong on. If and even if you are already in a sport, it doesn't hurt to try bowling because basically you no matter what, Mr. Meek is a good bowling teacher. He will always be kind and understanding no matter when every time we make mistakes, we move on from them and get stronger by each bowling session. So join the club if you want to have a chance.
All right, thank you, Gabe. And is Cooper good at bowling?
Oh, definitely.
All right, thank you. Do you think you can hit Gustavo in one shot?
Yes.
Alrighty, let's see. 2, 1.